Hello everyone, so I've just walked into Dollar Tree and this wall is covered in a ton of new Christmas items. I have a feeling whatever is here is going to go very, very quick. This is new. Last year they didn't have these signs. Super cute. I love the little gnome too. I love it. It's so freaking cute. These are all different. So you have to look sometimes. They trick you. Because you'll think that it's all the same print, and then if you flip through them, you'll find different ones. Different sayings. I put the camera down and then I pulled some of the signs just to share with you all the red truck signs. I just found it easier than moving things around, moving the camera around like crazy. A very, very similar little red truck like this is at Michael's for $6.99, and they just put it on a pick. It doesn't even have the Merry Christmas sign on it. So just be wary when you're shopping. If you see some things, you can also change them up a little bit by changing the colors or painting them, whatever suits your decor. Oh my goodness, these gnomes are going to sell so fast. They're pretty much nowhere to be seen at any other store. I must say that this is probably one of the worst ornaments that Dollar Tree carries. They're made of cardboard. I love that they have a variety of ornaments. They have glam, they have glittery ones and sparkly ones, and then they have the rustic. They just have such a beautiful variety for anyone who needs some cute decor on a budget. I really think Dollar Tree does a really great job every year. These are pretty good because they're nice and solid, so they'll look cute on a sign. Even though Halloween's up in the air this year, this new makeup line that's out kind of for Halloween is really going super fast. They have like the glitter. From the last time I was here, it's already quite diminished. This nail polish is going to sell really fast too because it's all glow in the dark. There's typically the wall with all the ornaments and then the home signs and stuff like that, the decor signs. And then there's this aisle here with all the crafty material especially for making DIYs or redoing things or making ornaments yourself. A lot of the little paint kits are here, and felt, die cuts. So if you're into crafting, there's always like a separate Christmas aisle to look at. Hopefully that gives you a little bit of a tip. I'm not sure if anyone's tried the paint tubes yet, the new paint tubes. These can be redone as well. You can paint the back yourself. I recently purchased some beautiful boxes. They were similar to these, but they had some really pretty foiling on them, and I'm going to use them to make beautiful little gift boxes. I think this is a newer print, isn't it? I still like to check if there's a farmer's market calendar laying around. They came with this set here, and they're beautiful. I actually purchased one. I got lucky. Doesn't look like there's anything here today. This one's really pretty too if you're into the floral. They're great for DIYing if you're wondering. Lately, I've been checking in on the Novelty area. These are wonderful too if you need a piece of wood. The back of it works really well for Mod Podging or wood burning or anything like that. But yeah, I've been checking out the kids area. Look at this tape here. You guys have been wondering where it is. Sometimes it's in the kid area, sometimes it's at the front checkouts. But these are great for making the little tracks and stuff for children to play with. But I've been checking the Novelty area because they've had some really wonderful name brand things show up. Keep hoping to find some more of those foam cones, but I haven't had any luck finding them this year. It's crazy. I have a couple from last year, but I'd really like to find them this year. Has anyone had really great luck with this? So this is an example of a really great find. These little monster trucks are, I think, $4 to $5 anywhere else. The little lost kitties, you're going to spend about $5 anywhere else. So this is where you're saving quite a bit of money on little things like this. These are puffy stickers, aren't they the cutest? You can make really nice cards with them, accent cards with them. Oh my goodness, I'm dropping them all. Oh, look at this. This is a Christmas one. These are awesome for kids to string and make their own little bracelets or necklaces with. Oh my goodness, look at these. They're like little amber, very boho theme colors. I love it. There's a name for it and it's just not coming to mind. I always like to check what new wall decor stickers are out because they're really wonderful for making DIYs, but also they're great for decorating outside of parcels and packages that I mail out. I love these. You can really transform them, easily repaint them, sand them down, stain them. They're nice and solid, so you can really make anything you want, especially if you have a cutting machine. I love to see that the 18-inch wreaths are back. So for those who cleared them off the shelf, they're restocked, and I'm really happy to see them back in stock so that we can get them at a reasonable price. And this shelf has made me very happy to see the acrylic paints back in stock at Dollar Tree. This is a pretty sight. I love it. I think this is my first time seeing Clean and Clear. It's in the baby aisle. I would imagine this is a lot more expensive elsewhere. And this is a new line that we're starting to see at Dollar Tree. So if anyone has any experience with it, please let me know what you've thought about it. They have the new wipes too under the same line. Many of you have been raving about this and just using it as a soap bar, so I'm super excited that they're still available. And these are the new fizzers and bath salts. I have never tried these actually, to be honest with you. They always pique my interest, but I never bought them. And then they have the bath bombs under the Mr. Bubbles as well. And these are the same as the blue bath bomb that comes with a little candle. Salon Selectives currently has the Value Plus bottle, so make sure if you're buying that you're getting the bigger bottle. And I'm just going to go down the kitchen aisle because I know that there's a new cutting board out, so I'm hoping I spot it, but I don't think there's anything here today. Many of you always ask me to take my time in the makeup area, so there's some new things here. There's a little kind of like a shadow box type sponge cleaner, and this is pretty much all of the makeup that's in this store here, along with the nail polishes, so I hope you're getting a pretty good view of it. Oh, this is interesting. I have never seen these packages. I've never purchased them, but it looks like these are spices, and then some of them are like, oh, crock pot spices. I've never seen this line at all at our stores. And some of you have mentioned that the cucumbers are really good. I know some of you really love looking at the nails as much as I do, so I thought I'd go through here. There's nothing really new from the last few clips that I've been able to get of nails. I'm actually going to leave you with a little clip from Walmart, my recent visit to Walmart. I hadn't been there in over half a year, and they do have all their novelty things for Christmas out right now, especially their mugs and tins. So I thought I'd share with you what I spotted there. I did post a video dedicated to Walmart, but just in case you wanted an idea of what's there, I thought I'd just put it into this video. And until next time, everyone, I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me. And until next time, everyone, have a wonderful day. Bye for now.
Wish that I could be a little clever, find the words to tell you how I'm feeling. Come along, let's take this walk together. We're together, tell me I'm not dreaming. Wait for me, just take a look around you. Can't you see I'm happy that I found you? Through the rain, through have a conversation. Find the words to tell me how you're feeling. All I'm asking is have a little patience, little patience. I don't wanna be dreaming. Wait for me, just take a look around you. Can't you see I'm happy that I found you? Through the rain, through the storm, and through the fire. Baby, please, my darling, won't you wait for me? I admit that I get scared, but every moment that we share is something I would never wanna change. Come along, let's take this walk together.